everybody, Joe Workman here, and today I want to introduce you to a completely new way to do navigation on your websites, Compass. So here we have the demo project that ships with Compass, and you'll notice that we have a very simple web page with very simple navigation. And out of the box, Compass will analyze the navigation of your menu and dynamically create next and previous buttons for you directly on your web page. So here we know Compass knows that we are on the first web page. There is no previous page in the menu. So it goes ahead and creates a next link. And when we click on that, it takes us to page 2 of our web project. And from there, we can then navigate previous and next based on our navigation. Now, Compass ships with 2 stacks. The main Compass stacks is the brains behind the operation. This is where you configure the source of your links, whether that is a menu, total CMS blog, or an actual CSV of URL lists. The next stack is called Compass Link, and this allows you to quickly generate next and previous links using Compass. However, you don't have to use Compass Link. You can actually integrate Compass to any stack you want simply by adding the Compass Previous or Compass Next classes to your links. And Compass also comes with over 300 different arrows that you can use inside your Compass link stack or as images on your website for next and previous buttons. Make sure you check out our live stream on how you can actually customize these as well. So as you see, Compass is really simple to use. Now, make sure you check out our how-to live stream on how to use all the features and how to actually configure it, especially with blog. We do an entire how-to video on that. However, Compass itself is super simple. It analyzes your menus or a list of links provided, and it will automatically generate previous and next buttons for you. This is great for maybe a how-to or anything that you want to do step-by-step steps where you want to walk your visitor through various web pages in an orderly fashion. Now, what's great is Compass is actually completely dynamic, so you can actually throw it in a partial, put it inside of every web page that you want, and it'll work dynamically on each of those pages individually. So that's Compass. If you enjoy it, make sure that you go ahead and leave a review down below on our product page. Myself and others would really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day and go out there and make your websites great. Bye.